Good morning, guys, and happy Monday. I thought I would take you guys along with me for like my 9 to 5 as a stay-at-home mom. We got a little bit of a later start. I put Bowen down for his nap around 9:30. It's 10 o'clock right now. I got myself a little bit ready, threw in a load of laundry, and got my water for the day. It's a Monday, so I have a lot of things I need to do. I need to restock our groceries and like plan all of our meals for the week. I tried to do that Sunday, but I did not get to it, so we need to do it today. My dog keeps peeing in Banks's room because, long story short, we had some family stay there and they brought their dogs, and now like the dog's scent is in there and my dog wants to keep marking his territory. So I need to like deep clean that carpet. Oh yeah, I got new photos that I want to hang up in our dining room, and what else? I need to do like a few work things, but just overall maintain the house and get us ready for the week. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to baby meal prep. We're like running low on breakfast stuff, so I want to make him some like egg bites, and my 4-year-old can eat them too. Yeah, I'm kind of scatterbrained. I didn't really write out my like plans for the day, so I need to do that so I don't forget anything. And we're gonna try and crank out some stuff while Bowen is taking his nap. Banks is also at preschool until 4 o'clock. He likes to stay long a few days a week, and Mondays are the perfect day for that, so I can have a lot more time to just like get everything ready for the week. Okay, I came into the playroom so I could talk a little louder and not worry about waking up Bowen. He's very wishy-washy. He's either gonna sleep 3 hours or 30 minutes. I don't know what I'm gonna get today. He's been asleep for about 40 minutes now, so I'm hoping he at least sleeps an hour. So I'm just gonna make my to-do list for the day, and I like to kind of categorize like things that I can do while the baby's awake and things that I need to get done while he's sleeping, so that those are like priority. I do get one more nap time before we pick up Banks from preschool, so whatever I don't get done right now, I'll have to get done later. Okay, and this is why I like making lists. I'm a lot less overwhelmed. It's really not that much. I have my 2 categories: with baby, without. With him, I can hang the photos, I can meal prep, I can edit a video, and I can do the grocery order on my phone. Without him, I need to do the carpet cleaning because the carpet will be wet and he's gonna try and climb all over it. And unloading the dishwasher is kind of hard to do when he's awake, so we'll get that done first. I'm worried the carpet cleaning machine is gonna be kind of loud, so I'm gonna save that towards the end of the nap time window. This is the baby's yes drawer, so he can like pull all this stuff out and play with it, and it's the only one that's like not locked in the kitchen, so I recommend doing this if you have an active baby that wants to get into things. It keeps him occupied, but the dishwasher is more interesting to him, so this is good for if I'm like at the sink washing dishes. Another little hack I have is I try to just quickly unload everything and throw it up here. If it's still wet, I'll dry it and like put it away afterwards. I just want to get everything out because if he is like crawling around, it's just priority to get everything out and get this shut so he stops trying to like climb in it. These little straw things are the worst because I feel like you can never fully get the water out, so I'm just like putting them away slightly damp still, and it feels weird. Now I have a few dishes in the sink from breakfast. I need to load the dishwasher and hand wash a few things. Sorry if the washing machine's loud, but I realized I do want to actually do the meal prep now because if he's awake and I have like raw egg on my hands, it's just a little more difficult, so we're gonna get it done now. These egg bites, you just need ½ cup cottage cheese and 4 eggs, and then you can blend it up in a blender or food processor. It's very easy. And we're not gonna let those dishes pile up. I'm gonna get those done right now, and then we'll get started on the carpet. Guys, is that freaking pink mold in here from the last time I used it? How are you supposed to flush these like pipings out so it doesn't get disgusting like that? Wish me luck. I forgot I have yesterday's laundry to put away, so I'm gonna do that first. The eggs are about to be done, so I need to go check on them. Yeah, 10 seconds left. Okay, gonna leave that water in there until it cools down. Looking good. I've actually never made them in this silicone mold before. I did them in like the aluminum one, so I just got this at Walmart. I'm excited to see how much they come out like easier compared to the metal one. Now I can hear the laundry's done, so let's go move that. We keep getting disrupted from cleaning the carpet. came out really good, smooth like butter, so I'm very glad that I bought that. I'm gonna let them cool down before I package them up. I'm gonna leave about half in the fridge and then half in the freezer. Today's a lucky day. Bowen has been asleep for 2 hours now. I'm gonna eat a snack and I need to do the grocery order so it's ready for me to pick up whenever we're on the way home from picking up Banks from school. And then I probably need to wake the baby up because if he sleeps too long this nap, he like won't be able to nap later. This is the best. I love the baby cuddles. Don't make fun of my lunch. We don't have groceries. And I need to up my protein, so what's wrong with cheese and salami? Banana. It's just pushing around a little car, so I'm gonna try and see about getting these pictures hung up. I know they're not gonna be perfect because I don't have a laser level, so I'm just gonna wing it and try and get them on the wall because I'm tired of having blank walls in the new house. They're from Mixed Tiles and they are not sponsoring this. I wish they were because they are very expensive, but I've been getting so many advertisements for them for this like exact style of an oak frame with the black and white photo. I think they're so beautiful. So wish me luck on hanging them up. You pooping? You look like you're pooping. Yeah, I'll give you a minute. I'm excited. I got them all laid out on the table and they look so good. And I know I don't show my kids' faces on here and I'm gonna get so many people commenting saying we can see their faces in the pictures. And that's just inevitable. Like I film my life. I don't try and film theirs. And I do think I do a very good job of like not exploiting them and oversharing them. But these are gonna be hung up on my wall and obviously in the background of things. And I don't think it's that big of a deal. It's just a picture on my wall. So it's not something that you guys need to like keep reminding me about that you can see their faces. It is what it is. I just don't try to actively and continually show their like daily lives and videos and showing their faces in that way. Here's a little overview on how they're looking. Okay, let me know your thoughts. They're obviously pretty easy to move. I don't know if I want to make them higher. I just don't want the baby to get taller and like be able to rip these down, but that's a problem we can worry about when we get there. I am gonna put some like sconces on the sides, but let me know if you think they should be higher. Here's a little more of a view of our dining area. Obviously, I want to get a bigger like dining table and chair set in here as well too. Bowen, you want to help me in the laundry room? Bowie, you're busy. This stuff didn't fit in the last load. I put it in here. Put it in. Put it in. Push it. Stand up. We're gonna walk. Push it. Push it. And then usually with my like one load per day, I obviously will try and fold it and get it put away if I can, but that doesn't always happen. So my husband and I take the time to do it together at night once the kids are asleep and we kind of just like talk and catch up. So I really don't mind like saving it for later. The baby let me get this far before he left the room, so we're done for now. Just got Bowen down for his nap and I just noticed that I leaked breast milk on this and I always ruin my new shirts with breast milk. It's so annoying. And try and get this to like water out so that it doesn't stain. I need a reward of Dr. Pepper because I get so overstimulated putting him to bed for his second nap of the day. He's like impossible to get down unless I'm feeding him and he's just pinching at me the whole time and it's so overstimulating. So I just want to reward myself with the Dr. Pepper. Hopefully that dries before preschool pickup. But while Bowen was awake, I played with him for a bit, didn't film that. I got my video edited and posted. So now the only thing left on my to-do list today is to do that carpet. So I'm gonna try and get that done quickly. I have to wake Bowen up in like 30 minutes so that we can go pick up Banks on time. Banks and the groceries. I'll show you guys what we got. I didn't have to get stuff for dinner tonight, so we have like some stuff in the freezer and some rice to go with it. So I spent like $75 for 2 dinners that are gonna last 2 nights each. And my husband's working 1 late night this week and I already have little, what are they called, like little sausages and the crescent rolls to make pigs in a blanket for me and Banks. House is so much louder. Okay, we got bananas and strawberries for our fruits for the week. We also still have some plums in the fridge from last week. Got milk, got these little noodles to make the baby some pasta for lunches. And then this ground beef, we're gonna split it in half and use the first half with this tortellini cream cheese and red sauce to make like a little, I don't know, like tortellini pasta base. And then I got a salad to go with that. The next dinner we're gonna do is taco soup. So I'm gonna use the ground beef in that with all of these cans. It's corn, tomato soup, kidney beans, and stewed tomatoes. And then I got cheese to go on top, and it's really good with Fritos put on top. So that's everything. It is 4:30. My husband's gonna be home in about 30 minutes, and that's kind of when we'll start doing dinner and cooking everything together. And then I'd like to just log off for the day and not really be on my phone and just spend time with my family. So that's pretty much what my 9 to 5 is. Let me know if you like this style video, and I would be happy to do more. It was actually really fun. I haven't made a long form video in a really long time. And let me know any other videos that you guys would maybe want to see.